We have got a very good friendship with Russia, and it's a lasting friendship. Russia is a great country, and we depend on Russia all the time, even in the difficult times. Russia has supported us, and we feel that it's a very reliable and a very dependable country. There were so many movies which were very popular in Russia, of especially from the Raj Kapoor. So even now Russians like Indian movies, and we also like Russians. Russians are very cordial, very friendly, very good persons. And I also believe that in Hindi, Russia are truly bhai bhai. Putin's visit will be certainly a remarkable achievement for India. He is a great friend. He had been supporting India, and we look forward Putin's visit in a very, very positive way. We are expecting India will all like to go for a strategic partnership, economic partnership, and social and cultural partnership. We have got a long standing with Russia, and I'm very sure it will strengthen, Putin's visit will strengthen the relationship.
Russia is a very good friend of India, and they have always supported India. Even in 1971 war, when there was a war between India and Pakistan, Russia was the country who supported us against US also. And on that basis, on the confidence of Russia, we can fight with any country nowadays. And our relationship is becoming stronger day by day. Putin has always supported India and is a very good friend of our Prime Minister Modi also. He supported India in the time of UPA also. So, and we believe him. And he has always shown the confidence in friendship.
Russia always help India in any problem. Instead of when the war was there in 71, he sent the fleet through sea to protect India. The relationship between India and Russia is going to become very good in future also. And right now, we are purchasing so many oil from there. And in spite of blocking that America, Trump, for putting that tariff on our country.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.